Hello everyone, welcome one more time to my channel. Today I am in my robe because I'm getting ready for a wedding. I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do for my makeup. I'm wearing a purple dress, so I want to do like some gold purplish tones for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna start doing my eyebrows, so I'll be right back. So I'm back. I put some of the clear brow gel from Anastasia to set them up, and then I use some of the brow waves also just to fill them up. It's easy to do them when they're recently done. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. I just pull it down to the whole eyelid to use it as primer. My hair is a mess because I have like some curls and I don't want them to fall so quickly. I'm gonna take a fluffy clean brush and I'm just gonna put some setting powder all over the eyelid. So now we can start applying our eyeshadow. I'm gonna start with the Violet Boss Pro. This one has like a lot of neutral colors, so that's what I want to start. I'm gonna use this color right here called Bestie. It is like a nude, and I'm gonna apply it as a transition shade right here in the crease. I'm gonna take a round brush. This has a little bit of red, but I don't care because I'm gonna go like with those tones. This Carly Bybel palette. I'm gonna take this color right here that is like a dark pink color, and I'm gonna put it there also in the transition area, giving like some circular motions. And now finally we're gonna go to a purple. Oh, I have this Lauralee palette. She's a YouTuber. I really haven't used this that much because I'm not I tried to use a couple of colors and I really didn't like them, but we're gonna use this purple right here called Quirky to use in this corner right here. Just do it, baby, just do it. And I'm gonna come with the pink one just to blend this corner right here. And what I really want to do is use like something lighter here in the inner corner. I'm going to actually use a little bit of concealer to make that area. It's this flat brush, and I'm gonna go and carve this. Don't have to be perfect because we can fix anything. This very thin brush, and I'm gonna go back to this palette. I know I'm driving you crazy, and I'm gonna take this color right here called So Jelly, this one right here, and I want to put it right there. I'm gonna come back to this one to just apply that purple once again in the corner. Once again, just for the corners. Now I'm gonna take a little wiping to clean up all the excess I have down here. I'm going to use this Becca Cosmetics primer that is like a little, it gives like a little bit of shine. Going to do a little bit of a cat eye. I'm going to use gel liner to finish my Now I'm going to put some mascara. I'm going to put foundation right now. I'm going to use my Maybelline Superstay. I'm going to use my concealer to get rid of these dark circles. I'm going to do some contour. I'm going to use my favorite contour brush, that is this one right here, to do this up. I'm gonna move to powders. My Laura Mercier to set up my under eye. And now I'm going to use this MAC bronzer to set up my contour. I'm going to apply my my eyelashes, so I'll be right back. Now using my Milani Luminoso in my cheeks as blush today, and I'm going to put some of that pink eyeshadow I use as transition shade under my eyelashes to make my eyes look bigger. And finally I'm going with my highlighter that is in this Carly Bible palette. And I came back almost ready to just show you how to apply my lipstick. I'm going to use this very old lip liner I have from Milani, color All Natural. It is like a nude. I overline my lips a little bit. Now I'm going to use my KKW Beauty Nude number 3. It's a new lipstick I just got and I'm obsessed with it. It's literally the perfect nude. Right there. And to finish, I want to have some shining today, so I'm gonna use the Sephora Outrageous Plump Effect. This is like a glitter gloss. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. I feel like the eyes are very strong, but everything else is very soft and nice, and it's perfect when you're going to a wedding, especially in this weather. I make sure I put a lot of powder in my skin so I'm not sweating and I can enjoy a nice wedding, summer wedding. Thanks for coming here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, go to my Instagram, and also follow me there. You can see that every time I'm going to post a video here. And don't forget to come back. Bye bye.